It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Wednesday, the 17th of November. Got a major weather change tomorrow with a cold front coming through, some rain at times, and falling temperatures are likely during the day. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country this afternoon. Still got a zonal flow, and we still have a dry air mass. Visible satellite view. Got a field of cumulus clouds over parts of north and west Alabama. Otherwise, the sky is completely sunny across the state and very mild. Last day we'll see numbers like this for a while. Temperatures mostly in the mid-70s. Birmingham, 74. Anniston, 75. Tuscaloosa, 76. But again, tomorrow, temperatures will likely go the wrong way. Up north, wind advisories for parts of the Dakotas. Got a winter weather advisory for parts of northern New England. Otherwise, things are quiet. Maybe some thunder later today and tonight west of the state. And then tomorrow, again, maybe a rumble of thunder near the Mississippi state line, but for most of the state, just a few light rain showers around. And then on day 3, which is Friday, the chance of some thunder across the southern tip of Florida. No severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Rain amounts in Alabama will be generally under 1/2 inch. We'll have a chance of showers tomorrow. Next chance of showers late Sunday night and Monday morning, both of those with cold fronts coming through. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 3 o'clock, troughing to the north. Cold front coming through, a cloudy day with a few showers around. Now, these are temperatures tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, and you can clearly pick out that front at that point near the northwestern corner of the state. Most of Alabama starting off today with temperatures around 60. Then by 1 o'clock tomorrow, that front will be passing through Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Gadsden. North of there, temperatures falling into the 40s tomorrow morning, and they'll stay there all day. South of the front, temperatures could reach the 70s again for parts of South Alabama. Got a huge thermal contrast. And then by 5 o'clock, the front comes down toward Montgomery, and temperatures in Birmingham, Anniston will be in the upper 40s at that point. So again, be aware, it's going to be mild in the morning, temperatures falling into the 40s for the northern half of the state tomorrow afternoon. Clouds and again some light rain at times. Friday, we're dry. We start the day between 30 and 35. Some spots could see a freeze. The high Friday, I'd say 57 to 61. Saturday as the weekend begins. Perfect weather for college football. Sunny. We start the day in the 30s. The high should be in the mid-60s, right at seasonal averages. And then Sunday, the next front north and west of the state. The day Sunday should be dry with a partly sunny sky. High should be in the 60s. And the front comes through Monday. This is Monday morning at 6 o'clock. A band of showers. There could be a rumble of thunder, but no severe weather. And then by 3 o'clock Monday, any showers down in southeast Alabama, and the day will be noticeably cooler. Monday's high dropping to 50 to 55 with a brisk north wind and gradual clearing. Tuesday of next week, we start the day in the 20s in most spots. Should be the coldest morning so far this season. High Tuesday, low 50s. And a week from today, Wednesday, the 24th of November, Thanksgiving Eve. A zonal flow here. And again, much of the country very quiet on this day. And this is typically the biggest travel day of the year. Hardly any problems. The only potential issue, New England, with a deep surface low that would be over the coast of Maine. That might affect Boston and cities to the north of there. So let's keep going. This is Thanksgiving Day. The GFS depicting maybe a few light rain showers north and west of the state. And this is the European in very good agreement. It's got a chance of showers mainly north and west of here. So at the moment, Thanksgiving Day on both models looking dry. Let's go to Black Friday, the 26th of November. This is where this big model difference is. The GFS, dry and cool. The European, a surface low near Tupelo, soaking rains likely. So it's an either-or kind of situation for the end of next week. But again, for the moment, Thanksgiving Day looks dry for much of the state. And this is Saturday, the 27th, troughing over Texas. And again, the GFS depicting rain south and west of the state. The European depicting rain north and east of the state. So there's great uncertainty out here around that following weekend after Thanksgiving. We'll have much better clarity, of course, in coming days. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean between 1 and 2 inches between now and the 2nd of December. Temperatures coming down. And again, that high tomorrow of 69, be aware that's going to be very early in the day. We're going to fall into the 40s. And after highs in the 60s over the weekend, the next shot of colder air coming in early next week. And hot off the presses, the brand new CPC Outlook. This is for November 25th through December 1st. A lot of blue here. Once again, that means temperatures will likely be below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.